Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan F. You're watching Young Black Misses, where I talk all about plant-based cooking at an approachable and affordable way. So if you've ever seen advertisements on any social media about, hey, we'll give you 3 meals free or 3 boxes free if you click here, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I got. I clicked. It happened to me. So I have right here EveryPlate, which this purchase was actually free to me. So we're gonna check out what's inside. I will say this, it is not vegan friendly. It is vegetarian friendly. So there's probably gonna be like a crap ton of cheese, but you will see throughout the course of the video how I'm gonna veganize it. All right, let's open her up. See what we're cooking with. Literally. I think the benefit of these, like you can't, okay, first of all, when you think of how much you're spending on these, you cannot think like it's the same as you would be able to go to a grocery store. You have to compare it to you going out to eat. So put that, in your mind. And then I think it's a lot easier. So I recently got another one of these, not this brand, because again, I've been clicking y'all. Oh. I don't like how this looks already. So here's the menu. Here's the ingredient, or I'm sorry, the menu card. Jesus, the recipe cards. And so I have Cuban style black bean and yellow rice. Then I have snap pea, carrot, and cabbage stir fry. And then there's a mushroom and pepper jack quesadilla. So obviously I won't be using the cheese that's in there. Gonna do a quick unboxing. Oh, okay. Huh, all right. This isn't like the ones I'm used to. Oh my. So, here's a bunch of stuff. There's some sour cream that I won't be using. And then just like their little seasonings. I'm making a face because I'm a little disappointed already. And we haven't even started. Yeah. I'm a little, but I didn't pay for it, so I'm like, I'm just gonna probably cancel. So we have all the ingredients. We don't need that. That we'll need for each meal. We don't need that. And yeah, so stay tuned for the recipes. So the first recipe, this Cuban style black and yellow rice, black bean and yellow rice bowl, actually didn't really need to be veganized. I think I just didn't include the sour cream. But everything else was veggie friendly. So here are the ingredients. Gotta have that hot sauce. And with just a squeeze of lime to activate all the flavors. Here's the finished product. Except for I added a little extra rice because I never feel like there's enough rice. That's just me. The next recipe, I feel like for the most part I did my best to find things that were already pretty naturally vegan. So this was just a stir fry. So I don't think there's any dairy in it. But I did have to add my own cheese to the quesadilla. I don't know why I ordered a quesadilla. That was quite dumb. But this Miyoko's cheese made the quesadilla fabulous. And so here's the finished product. I really enjoyed these meals and they were very affordable. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.